In this video, we are going to find or calculate Spearman rank order correlation test or Spearman's correlation test. This is mainly used to calculate the strength and direction of the relationship or association between ordinal variables or continuous variables or between ordinal and continuous variable. So in this we have taken two continuous variable. For example, uh, the time duration that they are spending for watching TV and cholesterol concentration. These are the two continuous variables that we are taking for this video as the example. And assumption with respect to Spearman's rank order correlation or Spearman's correlation test is we can able to take two ordinal variables, or we can take ordinal with continuous or continuous variables for the analysis. And number two, observation should be paired. So we should have a paired observation. That means time taken with respect to the individuals watching TV and cholesterol. Both are having the sort of linkage. So they have, when they watch TV, the next we would measure the cholesterol concentration. So the impact is clearly noted with the, simply by gauging it we can able to understand. Like say plant or growing or growth of the plant depends upon the water that we are giving, or cultivation with rainfall, or smoking habit and their lung function. So when we measure the lung function or performance through medical record and with their smoking habit, the intake of smoking habit that they have, they are called as paired observation. These are all the examples for paired observation. And third one is monotonic relationship. We can able to, in Spearman's correlation, we can able to find the monotonic relationship. So in this we can able to find the time taken for watching TV and cholesterol, whether if one increases other increases or decreases, or if one increases other decreases or increases, we can able to find. So the effect of one, whether it is giving impact on other in case of increase or decrease, which is called as monotonic relationship. Here for Spearman's rank order correlation or Spearman's correlation test, first we have to go to analyze, then correlate, then we have to go to bivariate. In bivariate we can click on the variables taken for the analysis, then we have to go to option. No need to click anything over here. We can click Spearman here, and straightly we can give OK, so that we can able to find the output here. From output we can able to, it's a non-parametric correlation because Spearman's test mainly used for ordinal variables. If we go with the analysis with respect to relationship or association between the ordinal variables, it is coming under non-parametric generally. So this Spearman's correlation generally for even for continuous or for continuous with ordinal, it does not warrant any normally distributed data. So it is coming under non-parametric correlation, where we can able to find the significance, say it is significant in both the case, and when you find the Spearman's correlation value, coefficient of correlation is 0.729, it is very good. So they have, when the time that they are watching TV is directly proportion to the cholesterol concentration. So time that they are watching TV, when it increases, automatically the cholesterol concentration also increases, since plus positivity is there. So plus is there before 0.729. It clearly shows it has the positive relationship between time that they are watching TV and cholesterol concentration. So in when you want to dig on their analysis in order to find the monotonic relationship, we can go to graphs, click on legacy dialogues, then we can go to scatter or dot. Scatter or dot is generally for correlation test in order to find the relationship generally. And in case of scatter, can also use for other cases, say for moderation, for ANCOVA, even for standard regression you can use this scatter plot. Generally scatter plot we can able to find the strength and direction of association through the stacked dots. If it goes on upward direction, we can able to understand the positive relationship. When they are stacked together, we can able to understand they are having, when they are jam packed, concentration is high, then we can able to understand it is they are highly, very highly concentrated, very highly correlated. Here it is going in the upward direction, so we can able to understand it's a positive relationship. That too, they are closely, somewhat closely associated. So we are getting the value, say 0.729. So it is having monotonic relationship. Say when time spent on watching TV, if it increases, automatically the cholesterol concentration is also increased. So they are having monotonic relationship. So Spearman's rank order correlation or Spearman's correlation test is generally to calculate strength and direction. So here is positive relationship we can able to find, and the strength is 0.729. So strength and direction of the association or relationship between ordinal variables or continuous variables or ordinal with continuous variable can be done. So thank you.